Solve for x. All right, so I've got information here, I've got information here, and I have 50 degrees. There's a little rule, and let me try to draw this rule as best as I can, where if you take two secants, okay, two secants, and that's essentially what this is. If I wanted to, I can keep these lines, I can keep them going on, so these guys now look a whole lot more the same. And if I were to call you P, Q, S, and D to match up with this, and call you R, there is a rule that says if you take two secants and you have an angle created by those two secants intercepting, the measure of that angle, so the measure of angle R, is going to equal 1/2 of the larger arc that's created, so arc PD in parentheses, minus the smaller arc that's created, QS. Okay. This problem just involves more math. I did a problem like this before where it was just numbers. Now I have a little bit of like solving equations type stuff going on. The measure of angle R, according to this picture, is 50. That's going to equal 1/2. I have to squeeze this in a little bit better. PD is 12x plus 8. Minus QS. Now we have to be very careful. We have to throw these in parentheses. 4x plus 4, close it, close it. And now it's just a really, really, really ugly like equation that you would see. I still have a bunch of stuff going on in parentheses, so nothing happens with a half yet. Nothing happens with 12x yet. Nothing happens with 8 yet. But what I can do is distribute this negative to make it minus 4x minus 4. That's why it's important to put those parentheses there. Okay. Inside the parentheses, I can combine like terms. So 50 doesn't change. 1/2 also doesn't change. 12x minus 4x is 8x. 8 minus 4 is 4. And now I distribute the half. 50 equals half of 8x is 4x, and half of 4 is 2. Now it's a two-stepper. Minus 2, minus 2. Cross you out. 48 equals 4x. Divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. Let's write it up here. X equals 12. All right, so secants cross to make an angle. Going to take half of the difference of the two arcs that are created. Okay, make sure it's positive. The end.